Help me start the car. Stop, did you see it? This car won't start no matter what. Do you know the reason? The owner went to the repair shop and cleaned the throttle valve, checked spark plugs and ignition coils, even cleaned the oil lines of the entire car. But the problem still exists. Today, I'm here to help him find out what's going on. After listening to the car owner, I first thought of this car part. This is it. It's called the EGR valve, but I just checked and there is no problem. Then this way. This problem is easy to solve. I also know a car part that many repair shops tend to ignore. It also affects the problem of car starting. Come here. That's it. It's called the intake air pressure sensor. I suspect it malfunctions. Let's take it apart and take a look. Let's first find a number 8 wrench. There's a screw on this. First loosen this screw. Then you can take it out. There's a connector here. Disconnect it. Okay, it's been taken off. Okay, the cause of the problem is found. Look, there's a lot of sludge on it. Blocked all the gaps. No wonder the car won't start. Next, let's clean it up. Find a bottle of detergent first. Very cheap, only $2. Start cleaning it now. Look, so dirty. Okay, wipe it with a paper towel. Look, it's cleaned up now. This is the normal state now. Next, let's install it back. Okay, it's all installed now. Next, I will get in the car and start it to try. See if the vehicle can start. If it can be started, friends, remember to give me a follow. Become my fan. I will solve any car problem for my fans for free. Let's go. Start the car. Look, one success. Success again. Let's go to the front. The power is also very strong. The problem has been completely solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn car knowledge every day.